Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher, and this video is called English Colors for Beginners. There are two good spellings for color. In British English, you write color with a U. In American English, you write color with no U. British, color, U. American, no. There are more words like this. For example, the word humor, British, U. American, no U. And favor, British, U. American, no U. Okay, the colors now. Say it after me. Listen and repeat. Blue, blue, blue. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh, by the way, British American, I speak British English, okay? British English. Yellow. Green, green, green. Red, red, red. No t, 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 d, 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 red. Good. White, white. Black, black. No. No. Good. Black. Black. Cat, hat, apple, vampire, black. Grey. In British English, grey, E. E, England, easy. In American English, grey, A. A, America, easy to remember. E, England, A, America, grey. Pink, pink, pink. Brown, brown, brown. Orange, orange, orange. Purple, purple. Purple. No R. R is bad. Purple, no. Purple. Good. Purple. Purple. Violet. Purple. Violet. Purple is more red. Violet is more blue. And exercise. Name the colors you can see on the right. What colors are there? That's all for now. I also have a video with difficult colors. Very difficult. I'll put the video here. If you like the video, please like it. If you want more videos, please subscribe. And that's about it. Thank you very much and see you next time.